Stariver Electric Kettle, Hot Water Kettle 2L, Electric Tea Kettle with lid, Borosilicate Glass Water Warmer with Auto Shut-Off and Boil Dry Protection, Stainless Steel Inner Lid and Bottom, Black. Borosilicate Glass, the up-to-date craft enables the borosilicate glass to have a very low coefficient of thermal expansion and makes it possible to sustain under high temperature, avoiding the occurrence of thermal shock. Through the glass wall, you can easily check the quality of water, resting assured to drink. Gorgeous design and portable, Stariver Glass Kettle has a stunning modern look with streamlined design. The combination of borosilicate glass and blue indicator light technology makes the boiling process fascinating. Indicator lights turn on simultaneously while the kettle is heating. Cordless design and built with 360 degrees rotational glass body allow you to take the kettle to wherever you want and to pour over easily. 2-liter capacity and convenience. 2-liter large capacity will easily provide enough water for multiple people to share tea or coffee. The automatic shut-off mechanism will activate after the water is fully boiled, so you don't have to be surrounded. With the wide open design, it is easy to clean after each use. Safety and health. The inner lid and bottom of the kettle are made of 100% stainless steel, bringing you a healthy drinking. Equipped with auto shut-off, boil dry protection technology and 3-prong plug, it can better take good care of your safety and health. Also, the cool touch handle could prevent scald while pouring water. Excellent customer service, getting it now with worry-free shopping at your side. We are always committed to providing you the best customer service. Your satisfaction is what we pursue. If you are happy or unhappy with the kettle, reach out to us, and we will do whatever it takes to take care of you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.